The Green Shoots Cafe came about from quite a bit of feedback from students wanting somewhere that was a vegetarian, vegan offer. And so we had this site, and as we sort of started to return to university and students were coming back on site, we thought actually we could rebuild and redesign this location. We've tried to give it a real focus of being freshly made, so it's not pre-packaged foods, everything's made fresh by the kitchen team on site, and it's, you know, fresh, local, seasonal.
So before that system, it was common for us to have a lot of stock left over. We would sometimes overorder because it was difficult to see what products were actually available, whereas through this data system we can see what products are not in stock already. Basically, we can do all of our ordering through this. We create all of our recipes on this to ensure that everything's costed. It just allows us to know what we need and know what we need and what we don't need. I think the main thing is that it's just ensuring that we're not wasting food products.
There's a lot of small independent businesses, but where the obstacles come about is the accreditations. For a small independent, that's quite an expense for them to take on. That has been an obstacle. There's lots of small businesses that we've engaged with and we want to work with, and we're now trying to work out how we can simplify the process and get to the point that we can work with them. I feel that we should be showing best practice in using local suppliers. It is all down to trying to get over that obstacle of how we use the small independent growers and farmers that are around us. The first thing we did was we paused and reflected on what we were already doing. I think it's very easy to not see the good things that you're already doing because catering's so fast-paced and you're constantly going, and there's never really downtime. And then that helped us be able to focus on what we wanted to achieve and then breaking it down into manageable steps.